So hi, welcome. Here we are, just coming in the front gate and just walking into the right. Let's get a little panoramic view of what we have here. So the main house to the left, mango trees down the end, and we just go through the area quickly so you get a feel for where we are. Hammock under the tree, nice hangout place. Tree swings for your pelvic floor exercises. Bougainville in the distance, and the sea is just down behind. You can see that lovely blue horizon through the trees. This is one of our chalets here. This is a one-bedroomer. These are both one-bedroom chalets. Currently occupied. Here we are on the right. Some banana trees. Another little mango trees together, giving lovely shade. And then here we are coming on to our second chalet, which is a very nice big one. Sometimes friends will share that, etc. Then we have our little organic herb garden. That's an avocado on the ground. This is an avocado tree. You can see the avocados there. We move on to the yoga space. We have a table tennis space here, and we use that nice white wall for movies and lectures. Here we're coming to the infrared sauna. A very nice little thing to have. Here we have our water shower, which is trying to imitate the sensation of a bit of a little waterfall. Here we have our Watsu therapy room. It's currently bubbling away at 31 degrees. And this is where we do our water therapy. And coming out of that one, we come down over here. I'm just looking at it from another angle. Another mango tree. Just coming over here, we have our water tower. There's a lovely viewing deck up there from which you can see the ocean. Perhaps we'll just take a quick run up there so that gives us an idea of that place. Excuse me while I nip up the stairs. Here you can see out the back of the property. Yes, this will give you a better idea of location. Here we are. A couple of chairs up here, just to enjoy this view and see the main house from the back with the pool and the poolside bar. So back down the stairs, step there. Oops. There's another small single room here with its own veranda. And fucked. Okay. This is the pool room. This is the pool, and this is the jacuzzi. We're coming in towards the back of the house now. It's got one room here which is occupied, but I'll just come in and show you around. This is the kind of room we have. Aircon, ensuite, Curica. This is the room Curica. This is the main kitchen in here. Everybody's busy preparing a post-fasting lunch. From here, you again can see the ocean. That's the front there. And then this is the main room here. And we have the veranda. That just gives you a spread and a look of the garden. That's another table system there. And just going up the stairs here. Just going to go up to the main room upstairs. And this was a nice big double bed en suite. A nice little feature where you can again see the ocean while you're having a shower. And on we go. And just bring you out to the veranda, which is our lovely chairs from IKEA. And there we are. And that was it. That's the tour. And it's a beautiful sunny day. So, be in touch.